Lighting is not the best here, but it's nighttime. I just want to give you guys an update. As I said, I have been removed, I've been voted off the island, so to speak. I was accused of doing a lot of different things, and in the process of going to clear my name at the hospital, I tested positive for a joint that I smoked a month ago, or over a month ago, in the middle of a panic attack. So, do I apologize for that? Absolutely not. Anyhow, it does lead me to needing camping equipment. I'm not going back into the shelter system. You know what? I did it for a year. I secured resources that I needed, and I'm just not ready to give up that part of my freedom again. But that being said, I do need camping equipment, light travel camping equipment. So if anybody in Cambridge, Boston, or out there can help me out, please. I need to get out there soon, because I also need to be verified that I'm actually camping out there to maintain my chronic status. So I do need to stay out under the stars or go into a shelter, and I don't want to go into a shelter. Can't couch surf. Do that for a couple of days. So that's it, guys. I need camping equipment. So if anybody out there can help me out, let me know. Thank you.